did it, y'all. We cut the hole out of it. I'm about to take a break. That's Lord Jesus. Jesus, pass the glow. There's a piece. What I decided to do is my daughter gave me some art pieces for my birthday. So instead of putting this heavy piece on there, I'm going to just replace. I have a whole thing I'm doing, and I'll put her artwork there instead, because we're cutting down the weights. The tiny home is on the Jenny Craig diet. If it's too heavy and it's unnecessary, it must go. Jiggly belly. On the tiny home, it must go. Okay, y'all. I got a natural high from the adrenaline and the stress. So I'm about to, or cortisol, whatever it's called, bitch. I keep seeing those infomercials talking about cortisol. I rebuke it. Anyway, so I'm going to take a break. Have my eggs and ivored and protein crackers, probably. And yeah, because I just did a whole bunch of workout cutting this stuff out. So I'm going to get myself some protein. And then I'm going to go see if that, because I ordered some stuff from the hardware store and it was supposed to be there yesterday, but it wasn't. And I asked them, should I come back today? They said, yeah. So I'll probably go back there today. I think before I go, though, I'll do another coat of paint, the last coat of paint on the rims. And I have to put the final coat. I think I want to put one more coat on this. These are part of the awning. Let me turn them while I'm out here. Yeah, I got to put a little touch up right there. And just, this is on purpose. This is on purpose because I'm putting some adhesive here, and I want it to adhere to the metal and not the paint, just the paint. So yeah, so one end is free and clear of paint. So yeah. And I need to touch up these two because I was holding it on this side. So let me just turn it back, because yeah, and I need to touch that up. This, yeah, otherwise it's pretty good. Okay. I'm trying to find glaze, like a top coat, but I couldn't find it. I think I ordered something that I think is a top coat, but it might not be. It's for like radiators and stuff. Yeah, I think I bit my lip when I was sawing. I was doing like this. Then I did it too long and I didn't even realize it, and now I feel like I'm a cuckoo-dookle. I'm just gonna go get a cuckoo-dookle meal. I love y'all bitches. Stay cunty hunty. Say hello.